Unlock the magic. Discover the power of charm. Imagine stepping into a busy room at a party or a meeting. Everyone seems lost in their own world. But then you smile warmly, listen closely, and suddenly people lean in, laugh, and want to talk more. That's the magic of charm. Not some secret gift for the lucky few, but a skill anyone can learn. In The Power of Charm, How to Win Anyone Over in Any Situation, written by success expert Brian Tracy and acting coach Ron Arden, you get a friendly guide to this superpower. This book, with over 50,000 copies sold, shows how charm can boost your career, fix relationships, and make every day brighter. It's like a toolkit for being the person everyone remembers and likes. Ready to charm the world? Let's dive into the book's wisdom step by step, in simple words perfect for building your English skills. What is charm? The basics you need to know. The book starts with a big question. What exactly is charm? Tracy and Arden say it's not about looking perfect or telling jokes all the time. Charm is the way you make others feel special, valued, and happy just by being around you. It's like sunshine on a cloudy day, warm and welcoming. They explain that 85% of success in business and life comes from how well you talk and connect with people. 1. Charm isn't fake. It's real interest in others. Think of famous people like Bill Clinton, who could chat with anyone and make them feel like the only person in the room. The author shares stories from Arden's days as an actor, where stage presence helped him win crowds. For you, this means practicing small things, a genuine smile, eye contact, or asking about someone's day. Why does it matter? Because charming people get promotions, make friends easily, and solve problems faster. In this first chapter, they promise you can learn charm in weeks, not years. Start today by noticing how you feel when someone really listens to you. That's the feeling you want to give others. Charm in action, seeing it work in real life. Next, the book brings charm to life with fun stories. Arden tells about a party where a charming friend stole the show. Not with fancy clothes, but by making his wife feel adored. This aha moment made Arden study charm for years. Tracy adds business examples, like salespeople who close deals because they build trust fast. The key? Charm is action, not just words. It's how you walk into a room with confidence, shake hands firmly, and say, "Tell me more about that." The authors warn, without charm, even smart people struggle. But with it, doors open. They introduce the idea of social intelligence, knowing how to read moods and respond kindly. For B1 learners like you, practice this. Next time you meet someone, focus on their eyes and nod while they speak. Feel the connection grow? That's charm working. This chapter ends with a challenge. Try it at work or home and watch smiles appear. The 5 essential elements, the heart of the book. Here's the gold, the 5 A's of charm, the 5 building blocks that make everything click. Tracy and Arden say these are like ingredients in a recipe. Mix them and you create irresistible appeal. Let's break them down one by one with tips you can use right away. 1. Acceptance. Make people feel okay as they are. First, acceptance. This means loving people without trying to change them. No judging, no fixing. Just, I get you. Imagine a friend shares a bad day. Instead of saying, cheer up, you say, that sounds tough. I'm here. Why does it work? Everyone craves to be accepted. Arden shares an acting tip. Act as if you already like them. It becomes real. Practical step. In conversations, repeat back what they say. Like, so you love hiking because it clears your mind. This shows you accept their world. Over time, people open up to you more. For your English practice, try this phrase. I understand how you feel. Simple, but powerful. 2. Appreciation. Say thanks and mean it. Next, appreciation. It's spotting the good in others and saying so. Not empty, good job, but specific. I love how you explained that idea. It made everything clear. Tracy says this builds loyalty, like in teams where bosses who appreciate win big. A story. A manager thanked his staff daily, and productivity soared. Tip for you. Keep a gratitude list for 3 people each week. Tell them why you value them. In B1 English, use words like, I really like, or thanks for your help because. Feel the warmth? That's appreciation creating bonds. 3. Approval. Give a thumbs up to their ideas. Approval follows. It's cheering on what others do right. Kids glow from a parent's well done. Adults do too. Arden explains from theater. Directors who approve actors' efforts get better shows. In life, approve by saying, that's a smart choice. You handled it great. Tracy links this to sales. Customers buy from those who approve their tastes. Avoid. Don't approve everything. Be honest. Practice. When a friend shares a plan, say, I approve. That sounds exciting. Your English grows as you learn positive words like brilliant or spot on. Result? People trust you more. 4. Admiration. Show you look up to them. Admiration is deeper. It's awe for their strength. Wow, you're so creative, not just nice. The authors say this makes you memorable, like celebrities who admire fans. Story. A CEO admired an employee's grit, leading to a promotion. Tip. Find one thing to admire daily, maybe a colleague's patience. Say it out loud. For learners, build vocab. I admire your energy, kindness. This element turns chats into friendships. 5. Attention, the secret weapon everyone wants. Finally, attention, the most powerful A. It's focusing fully on the other person, like they're a star. No phones, no wandering eyes. Tracy calls it the deepest craving of human nature. 35. Example. Bill Clinton remembered details from talks, making people feel seen. Arden's acting lesson? Listen like your next line depends on it. Practical. In meetings, lean in, nod, ask, what do you think? On phone calls, smile. It shows in your voice. English tip? Use questions like, how did that make you feel? To give attention. Master this, and charm flows naturally. These 5 A's aren't rules, they're habits. The book says, practice one a day, and in a month, you'll shine.
What charm can do. Real wins in work and love. Chapters dive into results. At work, charm gets you raises. People promote those they like. In love, it deepens bonds. Arden shares how charm saved marriages by rebuilding respect. For tough spots, like arguments, use charm to calm. Listen first, then appreciate. Tracy adds stats. Charming leaders have happier teams. 40 stories include a shy salesperson becoming a top earner by giving attention. For you, in job interviews, use the 5 A's. Accept the interviewer's style, appreciate the chance, approve their questions. English bonus, learn phrases like, I appreciate this opportunity.
Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to watch another one. We think you'll love it. And don't forget to follow us for more easy English and amazing book summaries. See you soon!